The product of 19, here's a number and there's a value too. Product makes us think of multiplication. So the product of 19 times a number, let's call it A. I could express it like that with the parenthesis. I could go 19A A like this, like I did the Y here, where it's right up against the number. That also means it. It might be confusing if we were using the letter X to say 19 times A, like that. That looks like it's another number value. So we sort of eliminate that times sign in this position. That symbol is better than the times sign, unless of course you're using decimals. Then that could be confusing too. So the parentheses is a better one. We could have a double parenthesis, like 7 times 4, or we could say it 7 times 4, like that. If it's a variable, like the A, the letters, we can just say 7A. So those are superior to the times sign or the dot. The difference of a number and 2. Okay, so here's our clue word. Difference signifies subtraction. A number and 2. So we're going to be subtracting a number and 2. So we could do x minus 2, and that would be the difference between a number and 2. 100 less than 4 times a number. So in this case, we're going to have 100 less than. That would come last in the problem because it's 100 less than the value of what you already have. So our 4 times the number, 4, we can say f this time, 4f less 100. A number decreased by 7. So we would have to have a number, let's call this y minus 7. The quotient of, here's our division, the quotient of a number cubed and 5. So here we have a number and it's cubed, and here's our 5. So a number cubed, let's say this is a to the 3rd and 5.